All right, guys, well, it's finally opening day. We've been scouting quite a bit, and luckily it's finally here. So we woke up at about 4 a.m. today, and we're gonna go ahead and hike up the mountain. We just barely pulled up to the trailhead, so we've got a little hike, probably about a mile or so, and then we've got a couple decoys we're gonna set up, and hopefully we can call it a nice big tom today.
There you go, ready to break that four-year rough streak?
For real. Yep, finally ready to get a turkey.
Awesome.
Okay.
Alright guys, that's what our setup looks like. Got these two meadows. There's Stan. He's got his turkey reaper.
What?
He's got his turkey reaper.
That's right.
Pretty sure that's Dad. He's calling over there. There's our decoy. Dad might have just shot one. There's the rest of the meadow. Yeah. So we've heard a couple shots. We don't know if that was over the ridge or what, but we're gonna wait in here. So yeah, we keep hearing these gobblers. We keep hearing gobbles. Just seems like just over this thicket. We just keep hearing him, We're just trying to be patient sitting here. So yeah, that's basically what's going on. Hopefully we can get a tom here on camera. Should be good. Yeah.
Alright, guys, well, we're surrounded by gobblers right now. We've got a flock gobbling to our right. We've got one gobbling down below to the left and one up to the left. So I'm rocking I've got the turkey reaper. We're trying it out for the first time. We've got a hen decoy out there. So we're just calling them in. Sounds like they're coming in slowly but surely. We're probably gonna stick it out for the most part of the day and see if they come in.
Yeah, I did. Make sure it has a beard.
Oh yeah. Whew. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yes. There you go. Yes, baby. Oh, bitch.
There you go. Nice, Stanley. You broke the curse. 4 years. Nice. There you go, guys. All right. Why don't you tell them what happened, Stan?
Yeah, guys. Me and Jameson have been parked here for like 2 hours. They were coming in at first, and then we heard a couple shots, so we thought they weren't coming in. All of a sudden we hear like click, 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 and we look over, and we've got like 7 or 8 toms, and they're all just walking through like 20 yards away. So I used my Reaper mount. It worked like a charm. There's no way I could have snuck up if I wasn't using that. Yes, that's awesome.
There you go, man. Let's take a look at it. That's huge. Freaking ginormous.
Yeah.
First one we've ever shot.
Look at that, guys.
Nice.
The world's smallest jig.
Nice. It's a man-sized bird. All right. Sick.
Spurs basically non-existent.
I want to see. Nice.
But hey, you got to start somewhere, right? Oh, that's awesome. What a bird, guys. Ah, that's awesome. It pretty much doesn't get smaller than that, but
That'll work, man. Dude, I'm shaking so bad. Holy
that's
crap.
Awesome. Yeah,
That's huge.
Our one rate freaking worked like a charm. Oh, I cannot believe it, guys. That's my first turkey. Got her done.
God, it was so intense, guys. Like Stanley was saying, came in right behind us.
Yeah.
Right behind us.
Nice.
Heck yeah. Look at that.
There you go, dudes.
There you go, Stan. Good job, man, buddy. That's sick.
That's awesome.
That is so awesome.
Pretty small bird, but hey, got the
Hey,
job
well,
done.
that's one, man.
Oh,
that's one.
Awesome. Oh, guys, I'm so stoked. Oh, that's awesome. You know, I was talking with Jameson as we were driving in today at like 4 a.m. and he was like, "Well, are you gonna shoot a Jake if you see one?" And I was like, "Literally anything, as long as it's not a hen, we are good to go."
Jeez, those 3.5-inch shells put
Oh,
a
yeah.
number on it. There's
They did the
feathers in the
trick.
trees back there.
I was probably a good 50 yards away, and that sucker was lights out. All right, guys, well, it's hard for me to believe, but we actually managed to call a turkey in. The turkey have been like the elusive animals that we've hunted for years but never been able to kill. And finally this year, me and Jameson set up, we knew where they were gonna be at, we patterned these suckers for a week, and sure enough, we managed to call this guy in. I'm so thrilled with shooting this bird. I mean, sure, it's just a little Jake, but I've got a lot of years left to hunt, and I think that I can pretty much only go up from here. So I'm pretty excited about it. Here you can see we're using the Turkey Reaper. I literally don't think I would have had a chance at these birds if I didn't have that Reaper. They kind of snuck in through the timber where it was a little bit thick, and I wasn't sure how I was going to get on them, so I had to actually like crawl on my knees out into the field. But luckily I had that Turkey Reaper mount that I could keep in front of my face, make sure they didn't see me, and the one rate camo worked like a charm. So luckily I was completely out of sight to them and snuck right into about 50 or 60 yards and put the hammer down. Hopefully you guys were able to see on our Tactacam. Hopefully you guys could see the shot. Those things have been like, I mean, it's crazy for capturing kill shots. Like if you want to be serious about capturing these kill shots, that's the way to go. I'm just so thrilled to be out here. This is our home state of Utah. It is the youth hunt today, and it's actually the first day. Like we only hunted for about 2.5 hours today. But yeah, it's just unbelievable to me. So here I've got this beautiful fan, all this beautiful meat. We're gonna go home and feed my family at 10, so we're thrilled to be out here, and I'm so happy to be able to film my tag on this beautiful Jake. All right, well, if you guys are new to our channel, make sure you guys subscribe. As you can see, it's gonna be one heck of a turkey season if on the very first day we were able to get one on the ground. So we've got 3 more tags to fill. The general season starts on Monday, so it can only get better from here. So yeah, make sure you guys go down, subscribe. Make sure you guys drop a like on this video. It'll help us out a ton. And yeah, all right, well, we will see you guys next week. Nice.